Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about JotForm, which is very nice online form builder software. And you can also use it for survey or user feedback. So we will go through some pros and cons of JotForm. I'll tell you more about it, and also we'll check the pricing. Then we'll log in and I'll show you how to set up your account. So, what is JotForm? JotForm comes with the options of creating excellent forms for many uses, including registration, payment, HIPAA compliance, etc. It has a very intuitive layout depending on what you actually want to use it for. It is very easy to set up with Form Builder that helps to create customized ones to suit the purpose. It comes with loads of features like email alerts that notify the user each time a visitor or consumer fills up a form. And since the form can be integrated with payment gateways, the registration can include payment options too. It comes inbuilt with a wide range of professional templates for the forms to allow a quick jumpstart for new users. JotForms can even be used to enable evaluation posts, the registration or service to provide better insights for the organization. Hence, with the HIPAA compliance that allows collecting sensitive data, JotForm is good to go for all the organizations. They are located in California, San Francisco, and it's very well suited for all types of businesses, from small to large. It's completely okay. And also, even individuals can use it. You can run it on your web browser, as I'm doing right now. Also, you can install it on your Mac computer or into your mobile phone if you support iOS or Android as well. So guys, let's check the pricing. We already created some reviews on AdaForm, and from what I can say, AdaForm is cheaper, but they are not that packed up with features at JotForm. JotForm is providing you with freemium, so does the other competitors in the form builder software industry. And this gives you 5 forms, 100 monthly submissions, which is completely normal, 100 megabytes available space, that's on the lower side, 1000 monthly form views, total submission storage 500, 100 fields per form, and 10 monthly payment submissions. And compliance of HIPAA is not available. Then we have bronze, for $24 a month, billed annually. But if you want to go a monthly, it's just $5 more expensive. Then we have silver and gold. The top of the ladder is obviously enterprise, where everything is tailored for your needs. So that being said, obviously gold, the most expensive one, but also packed with all the features that you can actually think of. Okay. That being said, if you're running non-profit, you're getting 50% discount. Also, for education purposes, you are getting 50% discount. You can cancel it anytime, and 30-day money-back guarantee, 24/7 customer support. Very nice. Let's just start to create our account at JotForm. Straight away, the greatest option of all, you can sign up with Google. When you don't have this option available, there is a high chance that you will have to wait actually for the confirmation email from JotForm that can take some time. But if you're syncing with Google, it's automatically giving you the option of verification or email verification. So I logged in with my Google account and it's completely seamless. No waiting time. So if you're under some schedule or your boss is waiting for some review from you, this is the nice option. No waiting, just seamless enter into the JotForm. So this is 10 out of 10. Here we have our workspace. On the left form, on the left sidebar, we have the most important button of all, create form. Then we have all forms. We can create a new folder. There are the forms shared with me, assigned forms, and also my drafts. On top corner is a personalization of the account, of my forms, templates, integration features, enterprise pricing. And also here you have your own account informations. Very nice thing is the integrations already implemented inside of JotForm. So you don't have to use third party like Zapier or Automate.io. You can just click on many of the, for example, CRM softwares, and you can integrate them anytime you want to. So in my opinion, JotForm is the best that is on the market for creating forms. So let's create one. Let's click on the orange button of create form. Here you can start from a scratch, use a template, and import from. We want to start from the scratch. We can go with a classic form or card form. Let's go with classic. Once we click, it's gonna take a few seconds for us to actually create our form. This form will be completely all about us. So when we click on the header, double tap, there will be heading text. It's gonna be our form. We can go with heading, Matt King, heading size. You can go with large, small, text alignment, center, right. Let's go to center. You can duplicate it, or you can hide the field, or you don't really have to. When you're done, you just basically press X and you are okay. Then we want to start with the form itself. On the left side, you can add form. Heading we already have covered. So let's start with the full name. And simply by drag and drop, you can add more lines to your form. Let's go with email. And you are basically building the form. That's like outstanding saver of a time. Phone. And let's say this is a good one. Then we want to simply click on add a new page. So let's say those are the basic information. Then we want to go to a next page. Let's start with short text. Type a question. Do you like forms? And the guy filling up this form will be filling up this blank space with his answer. We have a long text, drop down, single choice, multiple choices, number, image, file upload, time, captcha. Then we have elements, dividers, section collapses, and many more. It's actually very easy to create it. When you want to preview it, on the top right corner is the preview form. When you just click once, and that's it. You have your own name here, and you click next. Do you like it? Let's go yes, and the submit. And you just submitted it easily. When you want to have it on the link easily, you will just copy paste the link that is in here, Control C, Control U, and you are good to go. Then you can preview it on the tablet or on the phone. So absolutely seamless. You don't have to do anything. It's auto-intuitive and it will save you a lot of time. In my opinion, it's the best on the market yet, even though it's a little bit more expensive than the other ones, but it's well worth it. So guys, if you have any types of questions about how to get into JotForm and ask for an upgrade or ask for the freemium, please let me know underneath this video. Up until that, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day.